Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix any Facebook bug. So by following the step which I will show you, most of your problems should be fixed. But some of the problem requires specific settings to be played with. So for that it's not going to work. But try these method, it should be fixed. So what you want to do is first you want to check your internet. Sometimes due to slow internet it causes the problem. So make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. The next thing you want to do is go on your app store and search for Facebook to see if there is any update available or not. And once you search for Facebook, if it says open over here, that means your Facebook is up to date. But if it shows you update, you have to click on update to update your Facebook and your problem should be fixed. And even after updating your Facebook, if your problem is not fixed, the other thing you can do is go inside setting. And from setting, you want to go inside where it says general, and over here click on where it says iPhone storage. Inside iPhone storage, find Facebook and click on Facebook and click on offload app. Click on offload app and your Facebook will be offloaded. Once it's offloaded, click on reinstall app and it will be reinstalled. Now you can open Facebook and start using. But even after following all this step, if your problem is still not fixed, the next thing you can do is just delete Facebook app and reinstall it again. Once you do that, all of the setting of your Facebook will be restored to the default setting. So most of your problems should be fixed by doing this. So that's how you guys can fix any Facebook bug. So if you guys have more problem related with Facebook, you can check out our channel How to Guide for more Facebook related videos and your problem should be fixed. So hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.